You know, you don't have to purchase extra equipment, and there's no expensive equipment that you need. Most of the stuff that you need for jerky making, you probably already have in your home. One of the items is a sealable plastic container to marinate in. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. A good large cutting board, because some of your meat you're going to cut is going to be large pieces, and you want to have plenty of room to work. Just a real small, simple set of measuring spoons for measuring your salts and your peppers. And then skewers like this, either wood for hanging your meat on, or you can use the metal ones. And this works good in your oven or in your barbecue pit for hanging meat on, or something as simple as a toothpick. It doesn't have to be much, it's something that will hang it in the oven. And then you need a measuring cup, something that'll measure at least 2 cups. Most of my wet ingredients I like to warm up before I pour onto the cut up meat. It just penetrates the meat a little bit more when it's heated and it's warm. And then you need a couple of spoons just for stirring, because there's a lot of salts and things in here, and a wooden spoon works good for stirring and mixing your ingredients. A cookie sheet like this, you can place on the bottom of your oven. You could even put some aluminum foil over it as a drip pan. It catches all your drippings from your meat. And then a good set of knives, good sharp knives. Sharp knives make the meat easier to cut, and you can actually cut thinner pieces with a sharp knife than you can one that's not as sharp.